basic, and in this tutorial of Photoshop, we will blur the background of any photograph in just 3 minutes. We will start by duplicating the layer with Ctrl or Command J. Now we will select the quick selection tool and we will click on select subject. Now while holding the Alt key, we will scroll up to zoom in to see that if any area needs further adjustment. And when it's done, we will click on select and mask. Make sure here the transparency is set to 100%, and from the drop down menu of output 2, we will select new layer with layer mask and hit OK. You can see that a new layer has been created with layer mask. Next, select the bottom layer, unhide it and hide the top layer. Now we will use the lasso tool and we will select the subject randomly. Don't worry if it's not too precise. Next, we will go to Edit and we will select Fill, or you can also press Shift and F5. From here, make sure the fill is set to Content Tower and the opacity is set to 100% and hit OK. You can see that the area we have selected with the lasso tool is matched with other areas by Content Tower fill. And now we will deselect the selection area by pressing Ctrl or Command D. Next, we will go to Filter, from there Blur, and we will choose Lens Blur. Here make sure the shape is set as hexagon or 6 and set both the radius and threshold on maximum value and hit OK. Now if you are not satisfied with the result and you want more blur on the background, you can apply the last filter, which is the Lens Blur, just by pressing Ctrl Alt F on Windows or Command Option F on Mac. Next, unhide the top layer and our photograph is ready with blurred background. And now press and hold the Alt key and click on the eye over the background layer to see the photograph with which we started and the final result we got. Thank you for watching.